Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect AppSheet to Google Sheets. So first, what you'll have to simply do is go to AppSheet and sign in with your Google account. After you do this, click on Create option, choose App and choose Start with Existing Data. After you do this, you'll have to simply select Google Sheet as your data source. Choose a category for your app, then name your app anything. Click on Choose Your Data. Here, you'll have to select Google Sheets. Now, after selecting Google Sheets as your data source, browse and pick your desired Google Sheet from the Google Drive. So for example, I will choose this and click on Select. Now, AppSheet will automatically import your sheet and open the app editor, letting you configure tables, columns, and app logic. Now, method 2 is Google Sheets and AppSheet add-on. So open your Google Sheets and click Extensions and choose AppSheet. Now, you can easily create an app from just right here. The add-on will convert the current sheet into an AppSheet app, opening the editor where you can customize your application. So that is how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.